Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Akila and I'd love for you guys to join. So today is Vlogmas Day 5. I can't believe it's already Vlogmas Day 5. I feel like I'm doing pretty good with posting and doing all that. So we have about 20 more days to post for Vlogmas. But I just took a shower and everything, got my hair done. I'm getting ready to go put on some makeup. But I just wanted to get on here and say that for today's video, it's another sit down video. I haven't really left the house all week, trying to incorporate and just think of some videos that I can do at home. And some of them are sit down, some of them are just regular vlogs though. Like probably after this one, I won't have another sit down one for a little while. But today's video is going to be the Holly Jolly Christmas tag. So I'm very excited to do this. I love Christmas so much. I think I've said that like 1,000 times in these videos, but I just love Christmas so much. The holidays get me so excited, especially giving gifts and receiving gifts, even though it's better to give than receive. But yeah, I'm just gonna go get some makeup put on. Gonna have my red lipstick. Like I think all this month is just gonna be red lipstick since, you know, the holidays and Christmas. But yeah, I'm excited to do this video, just another sit down one. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna get myself ready, get back on, show you guys my makeup, and just start filming the video and going from there. So see you guys then. Alright you guys, so I'm finally finished with my makeup. My eyebrows are bugging me today. You know, sometimes when you don't have good eyebrow days, I think that's one of those days. But everything else is okay, but this is the look. But I think I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up so then I can start filming the video because I already know it's going to take me a little while to edit. So let's just go right in to me setting everything up. I'm back. I'll also put the link to these questions down in the bio. It's just the Holly Jolly Christmas YouTube tag questions. There's about 20 questions. So we're just going to go right on in. So the first question is favorite Christmas movie. So I don't really have a favorite Christmas movie, but I guess it would be like The Grinch. I know, pretty basic, but I did the other day watched A Christmas Prince or something like that. I think that's what it was. A Christmas Prince and then a Christmas Prince Wedding or something like that. I'll put it like right here or somewhere on the screen just so I can make sure to get it right. The next question is, are you on the naughty list or nice list? Well, I'm hoping I'm on the nice list. I don't think I did anything naughty this year. I don't think. I could be wrong. Guess we'll never know. Show us an embarrassing Christmas photo. If I can find one, I'll show you guys one. I'm not sure if I have any embarrassing Christmas photos. Honestly, I don't think I do, but if I find one, I will show you guys one. Number 4. Have you ever had a white Christmas? Honestly, I think we did back in like 2006 or something. I mean, I'm sure we had some recently also, but I honestly don't remember. Maybe last year it snowed a little. No, I don't think last year it did. I'm not for sure, but I know a couple of years, I'm sure we've had a white Christmas. Do you start your Christmas shopping on Black Friday or wait until the last minute? So I start looking at stuff really early just to get it in my head on what to get people. But I don't start Christmas shopping until maybe a little before Black Friday and Black Friday, because Black Friday, you know, you're obviously going to get the good deals, so it's probably better to shop at that time. But think of stuff beforehand so then you know. If you could be in any Christmas movie, what would it be? Okay, so all the Hallmark movies. I used to always watch Hallmark with my grandma. When I was younger, I'd stay at my grandma's house all the time. Loved the lady. But I would just go over there. Well, we'd watch Hallmark movies all the time, and especially around Christmas time. They're so, I don't know, just the Christmas movies hit different on Hallmark. And I'd love to be in one of them because it just seems so, it's not realistic. Like sometimes you're not gonna have that in real life, you know? If you get what I'm saying. But I would definitely be in the Hallmark movies. Those are the best ones. Name all of Santa's reindeer. Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Fix-It, Comet and Cupid, Donner and Blitzit, and Rudolph. I think that's what they are. I could be wrong. I'm trying to go off the song and I probably didn't even say it all right, but I think that's what it is. If not, I will go ahead and put it in the screen. I'll probably put it in the screen somewhere anyways because I'm a little, you know, I'm a little off. Probably don't know it. Probably didn't get it right. When does your family put up your Christmas tree and who decorates it? So I just recently put up our Christmas tree because we got a new one. I would have put it up a lot sooner if we had one way before. Usually I would put it up around the middle of November, but I decorate it. Taylor's not here, as you guys know, which sucks. Might cry. No, but Taylor's not here, so it's just left with me to decorate it, which is fine because I love decorating things. Is your Christmas tree real or fake? So it's fake, but one day I'm going to get a real Christmas tree. One day. I hope I can. Peeking at gifts or be surprised. So I like being surprised, but I will tell you guys, one time, I think it was like last year or the year before, Taylor sent a white elephant gift to the house and I accidentally opened it. I didn't mean to because I didn't know, and I accidentally opened it, which sucks, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, so number 12. Oh wait. Number 13, show us your ugly Christmas sweater if you have one. So I actually don't have an ugly Christmas sweater, but back when I worked at Walmart, I had like a little ugly Christmas sweater. I actually threw it away because I knew I was never gonna wear it again. Number 14, if you could be under the mistletoe with anyone, who would it be? Obviously my husband, or my dogs. Give my dogs little smoochies on the cheeks. Number 15, does your family have a special holiday recipe you like to help make? I honestly don't think so, and if they do, then they never told me anything because I honestly don't know. Number 16, are you a pro present wrapper or do you fail miserably? I wouldn't say I'm a pro present wrapper, but I know how to wrap presents and I don't think I fail at it. Maybe I do, maybe I don't, but in my eyes, I don't think I fail at it. Number 17, have you ever gone Christmas caroling? So yes, back in like, I don't know, maybe 3rd grade, we went to the nursing homes and went Christmas caroling and just sang to all of them there. 18, what tops your tree? So I actually don't have anything that tops my tree. I forgot to get a star or an angel or just anything else, so I kind of just have ribbon just wrapped around close to the top. Do you make New Year's resolutions? Do you stick to them? So I haven't really made any New Year's resolutions, but if I did, I would try to stick to them. 20, you have been granted one Christmas wish. What will it be? I wish only one. To have my husband home for Christmas. That's what it would be, because it sucks that he's not here. Sorry, I seen a little nap, but it sucks that he's not here. My mom's thinking about coming down after the week of Christmas, so that's fine. But I wish I was spending it with all my family and my husband too. But sometimes that just can't happen. Things can't happen, and that's okay. I'll make it through. But that is it for the Holly Jolly Christmas tag. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!